The Glagolita Clozianus is a 14-folio Glagolitic Old Church Slavonic canon miscellany, written in the 11th century. What remained of an originally very large codex, having probably 552 folios, are 14 folios containing 5 homilies. 2 of the homilies are complete, one by John Chrysostom and one by Athanasius of Alexandria, and 3 of them are fragments. One by John Chrysostom, one by Epiphanius of Salamis, and one that is usually attributed to Methodius. 4 of those homilies are known from other Old Church Slavonic codices, the exception being the one usually attributed to Saint Methodius, which is found only in Cielo and sometimes referred to as the anonymous homily. The codex was named after the Count Parasklos, who owned it in the first half of the 19th century. Prior to that, up until the end of the 15th century, it was owned by the Croatian nobles of the House of Frankopan, who used the codex as a house relic in worship, believing St. Jerome to be the author. Count Claus donated the codex to the City Museum in Trent, where the first 12 folios are being kept today. The remaining 2 folios, discovered by Slovene slavist Frank Miklosic, are kept in the Ferdinandium Museum in Innsbruck. Linguists somewhat disagree when discussing the source of the text, some arguing on the similarity of the rounded Glagolitic with Sinaitic codices, hold that the manuscript originated in Macedonia, and others that it was written in Croatia, justifying it with the change of to behind palatal CZ, Saint and ZD, a trait commonly found in other Croatian Glagolitic medieval manuscripts. The reasonable conclusion that follows is that the manuscript was copied on the Croatian territory from the original written in Macedonia. The text was first published by Jernabi Copita, together with the Freising fragments and the manuscript de Conversione Bagarium a Carantanorum. Frank Miklosic published 2 folios from Innsbruck in 1860, and both pieces were published together by I. Strzeniewski in 1866. Critical edition with ancient Greek originals was published by Vaclav Vondrak and finally by Antonin Dostal. Dostal's edition contains photographs, Cyrillic transcription, ancient Greek original, translations to Czech and a dictionary. Link